Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the FY’ Limited Q1 FY’26 results conference call hosted by Kirin Advisors Private Limited. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during this conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star, then zero on your touchtone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Chandni Chande from Kirin Advisors Private Limited. Thank you and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pallavi. On behalf of Kirin Advisors, I welcome you all to the conference call of FY’ Limited. From management team, we have Mr. Sanjay Agarwal, Managing Director, Ms. Gurmeet Kaur, Chief Risk Officer, and Mr. Talin Agarwal, Head of Business Development. Now I hand over the call to Mr. Sanjay Agarwal. Over to you, sir.
Hi, good evening, everyone. I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you for joining us today for our company's Q1 FY’26 earnings conference call. Thank you for taking the time to join with us and for your continued trust in our journey. With me is Ms. Gurmeet Kaur, Chief Risk Advisor, and Talin. Talin is joining from New York. He might be dropping off and on in between. Further, we look forward to discussing our Q1 FY’26 results, key business progress during that quarter, and our strategic focus for the upcoming times. We have started the financial year on a decent note, marked by a decent growth in both our consolidated and standalone performance. On consolidated basis, our total income for Q1 stood at 6.74 crores, which is a year-on-year growth of 53.20, and the net profit increased by 86% to 3.19 CR. On standalone basis, our total income grew by 89.22% on year-on-year basis to a total of 4.74 crores, and our net profit grew by 138.39% to 2.63 crores. As far as the EVA product is concerned, we are now partnered with more than 90 corporates pan-India. Today only we signed with a fairly decent sized company, Bix Technologies. Yesterday we signed with Supreme Enterprises, Mumbai. And now our month-on-month disbursement has been crossed 4 CR. Looking ahead, we continue to focus on our increasing our early wage access platform by expanding our corporate partnerships. We stand by a target of 250 corporates by the end of this year and a long-term vision of 1,000 plus corporates. We have also recently informed the RBI regarding the launching of our app. We should be, I think, launching in this quarter our app also, and that should give us better attraction and better disbursement rates. As far as the NPAs is concerned, they're still very much under control. We had just two very small in the business loan side and nil NPA in the EVA side. In the business loan side, total amount of NPA was less than 50,000, but we hope to recover that in this quarter. But we have not written off both these 50,000 NPA. We are very much confident of recovering that money in this quarter. Plus, before opening the house for your question and answer, I would like to request you one thing. What we have realized, our existing investors are the best source of sourcing clients for EVA. In fact, 6 of our existing investors, 3 of them who are chartered accountants, they are partnered with us for sourcing EVA clients. I would like, on a professional fee basis, once the conference call ends, I would request you to go to our partnership page on the Emerald Fin website, or just drop a mail at info@emeraldfin. In case you are interested in partnering with us for sourcing more corporates for EVA, so please let us know. Now open the house for your question and answer, please.
Thank you very much. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask question may press star and 1 on their touchtone phone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and 2. Participants, please note that this call is for 1 hour only. Request you to limit your questions to 2 per participants only. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question is from the line of Rahul Singh from Fin Investors. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you for the beautiful presentation, first of all, sir, and congratulations for the numeric wonderful numbers. My question is, what is the current revenue for EWA? And like you mentioned in last call by financial year 26 end, you will be onboarding 250 clients for EWA. But what we can see in terms of run rate, it is not impossible, but very difficult to achieve. So what could be the absolute figure which we can 100% achieve this financial year?
See, we have already done 90 plus in the till 30th June, and we have already signed up with 4 clients. I think 4 clients. 2 of them already informed the exchange, and 2, 3 are more in pipeline. I think we should be informing the exchange in this week only. And we are targeting about 40 to 45 clients in this quarter. And I think we should be able to, do our, reach our target of 250, because our network is expanding now, very rapidly.
Okay. Thank you.
In fact, our existing clients has also started sourcing cases for us. We have closed in the last quarter, we closed at least 2 cases who are referred by the existing clients only.
Oh, that's a good news for us. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Abhishek from AB Capital. Please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Am I audible? Yes. Just wanted to ask get one clarity about the business model. Like our main business model is to get more customers from EWA and get the fees, or our main target is to act as a channel from which we get more customers whom we will cross-sell other loans. Which is the main target for us?
Both is the target. In fact, we are resourcing clients at a profitable basis, and we cross-sell also. I think if I'm not wrong, we have done 2 crore plus cross-selling in the last quarter.
Okay. And I think in last year in one of the Concalls you had told that EWS is around 4% of the total revenue. So how much is it right now after this quarter?
I think we are around 4% only. I think 4 or 5, something like that.
And at the end of by this year end, do you think it will go up or it will remain at this level only?
No, I think it should go up. As we source the more number of clients, it should definitely go up. See, a lot of cross-selling opportunities have started also appearing from that. I told you, like we did 2 crore of cross-selling in the last quarter only, and this cross-selling volume should now slowly and steadily increase only.
Okay. And you have told that in the PPT that you aim to onboard 250 clients for EWS by this year. So considering that we completely get 250 clients, how much revenue do you think can come from this just from this EWS?
Well, we are targeting about 15 crores of monthly disbursement. If we get 250 clients, we are fairly large size corporates are coming. This EBIX technology, they have a employee strength up to 3,500.
So 15 crores of monthly disbursement, but ours so is fixed fees is there, right? So how much will be the fees you think?
See, the total it will turn out to be disbursement of 180 crores. If we do 15 crores per month, if we reach a target, the annualized basis will come to 180 crores. On an average, you can take it 1.5.
Okay. So 180 crores will be the total disbursement for the full year. Then 1.5% of that might be our revenue.
Yeah, might be revenue. Plus, you have to look at the cross-selling opportunity. See, other corporates NBFCs are sourcing clients at a loss. Here we are looking a client at a profit, plus the huge cross-selling opportunity which comes along with that.
Okay. So beyond this 1.5, that is percent of 180 crores that is coming as revenue, which will be
Yeah.
pure revenue. Beyond that, we will get cross-selling opportunities to these clients.
Correct. And the main thing is,
Okay.
if a book is performing very, very well, in the last 1.5 years, we have zero delinquency.
Okay. And what about the loans that we have given? What is the NPA status of the loans other than the EWA?
In the business loan, we have two delinquent clients. One, the total delinquent amount is 3,500, and another, the delinquent client is 40,000. We have written off these in the June quarter. Not written off, sorry, we have booked as NPA and reported to CIBIL, but we are very much sure of recovering in this next coming quarter. We have spoken to both our clients, and they are promised to pay us in this quarter.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Priyam from Premium Asset Managers. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Priyam here from Trinetra Asset Managers.
Hi, Priyam.
Hi, sir. So my question is that I want to granularly understand the spread that we make on an EWA loan, because from my understanding, you just answered in the last question that we will make 1.5% on the overall pie, which I thought was a bit too low. So can we deep dive into this? Like, what is...
In terms of IRR, it comes a little higher now. Tarek, you can explain that. In terms of IRR, it's much higher now. Because
Right.
normal, you get the average disbursement takes after only on the 15th of the month.
Right.
So
on
people normally disburse around on an average on the 15th. Major chunk of disbursement happen after 15th only.
Right.
In terms of IRR, it's quite high now.
On a 15 crore monthly disposal, how much do we make on a monthly basis? Let's say if we achieve that by the end of the year.
In terms of real terms?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got 22.5 lakhs now. But in
Okay.
terms of IRR, it's quite high now.
Right. Okay.
Because from large number of corporates, we get payment only on the 30th of the last day of the month itself. So our money is blocked
Right.
only for 10-15 days.
Right. All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Raj Shah from Flare Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi, congratulations. The business is doing wonders. They all the financials. But one concern is regarding that large stakeholder is selling the stocks in open market. So is there any reason like they are selling it in open market?
See, they have purchased the share at 38 rupees, Investi Global. They have sold, I think, about 40% of their portfolio. 40% of the holding is because they rejected about 100 odd rupees.
Yes, right. But the thing is like even preferential issue was done at 131, right? And promoter was also part of it. So are you not arranging any buyer for block deal, or are you not planning to buy it yourself instead?
I can't say anything at this stage. We'll see in future. I cannot say anything about that at this current stage. But the FI I'm talking about, they sold 40% of the stake because they bought it at 38 rupees and they made a handsome profit on that.
Okay. And regarding this company sizes that we are onboarding, right? So what's the minimum size of employees? Like what's the minimum number of employees the company has?
See, normally we don't onboard companies with less than 100 employees.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
But now fairly large ticket size companies are coming. I told you, today only we onboarded one company with 3,500, and we onboarded Master Trust. We had 900 plus employees, and we're already working with IDS. They have 1,500 employees. And in fact, now IDS is going to give their subsidiary also, which has 450 employees.
Okay, so now whatever companies we are acquiring, like the average we can expect like 1,000 to 2,000 employees per company.
Not really. Even if the company is good and the security number of employees less, we will onboard them.
Yeah. So
But
my
preferably,
question is,
prefer is to have a fairly decent sized company. The disbursement takes more in that particular case.
yeah, basically, like, what's the average employee count per company that we have?
Would you like to take that?
300.
Yeah.
So our average count currently sits at about 300. So what we realize in the market is essentially companies having 200 to 500 employees is where the sweet spot lies in terms of sales cycle, in terms of engagement, in terms of conversion.
Okay, so actually 3,000 is very less, right? But we are planning to move on to bigger size right now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
See, the main thing is, the kind of company on board now. We should be good corporate. We should not have delinquency on that particular corporate. So we are very conservative on that side, and the quantum limits we are sanctioning to corporates are quite conservative on that side.
Yeah, and also about the limits, right? We are only giving up to 40% of that employee salary as advance, right? Can't we increase that to 60%, or what's the rationale behind this 40% only?
So we're giving up to 50%. Why we don't go up is because there's a law in the wages, in the Labor Law and Payment of Wages Act, which states that a corporate cannot deduct more than 50% of the gross salary of an employee for any deduction, be it an advance, be it statutory deductions. So in case you have to, let's say, hypothetically, give 60% as advance, the corporate legally can deduct only 50%. The remaining 10% collection will come to us. So that's the kind of risk we don't want to bear.
Okay, yeah. Great, okay. That's okay.
Thank you, sir. Participants, please note that this call is for 1 hour only. Request you to limit your questions to 2 per participants only. The next question is from the line of Chandan Mishra from Finvestors. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Thanks for the opportunity.
Yeah, hi, Chandanji.
Congratulations, sir, on posting great set of numbers. I have a few set of questions. First of all, sir, earlier you have reported, sir, 3.4 crore AWA disbursement rate per month. What is current disbursement rate?
See, in the June month, we crossed 4 CR.
4 CR, okay. Yeah. Second question is, sir...
I think exactly for 4.25, something like that.
Yes, sir. So second question related to AWA only. We have added approximate 100 companies. How many are active out of those, sir?
I think, we have stopped out of these 100 companies. In cases, the payments were late, we stopped 3 companies. I think on an average, 85% of them are active out of that.
85%.
So we block,
That's a good.
At times we block also. In case there is a payment, delaying payment from the company side, we block that company. Few of the companies we block.
Okay, sure. Sir, next question is related to small ticket size loan, sir. What is the current overview on invoice discounting and small ticket size loan?
Small ticket size loan, we are not doing too much of small ticket size loans. We are doing majorly the business loans right now.
Okay. We are not doing that segment right now.
So that is not much. They are not doing much. Tell me the numbers, how much we are doing better?
I think EVA itself is small ticket size loan. So EVA we are doing close to 4 CR a month.
So we are doing for some clients, we are doing for 9 months also, no? If you are talking about that.
Sure.
No. So I think what he is referring to is cross-selling personal loans from Emerald's book, if I'm right. Personal loans from Emerald's books.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello. Sir, earlier we have announced a segment for EVA customers as a small ticket size loan. I want overview on that only, sir.
So we are doing that. We are already starting doing that. We are doing 9 months loan for those EVA customers.
Okay, sir. So my last question.
We are not doing more than 9 months. Currently we are not doing more than 9 months for them.
Okay, sir. And sir, my last question, sir. What is the margin guidance, sir?
See, on and we charge on average, I think, 36%.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I have no question now. Congratulations on again great set of number and for future endeavors.
Thank you, Chandanji.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Ankit from Fusion Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello. Am I
Yes,
audible?
sir, you're audible.
Yeah, hi. Good evening and congrats on a great set of numbers. So I have two questions. First is on our business loan segment, right? There are two NPAs. And apart from these two, like, are we expecting some further, like, 30 days or 60 days, something? And are we planning to make some provisions, cautious provisions there?
No. All other entire rest book is performing well, and these two we are hoping to recover. So I think this quarter we should recover those amounts. The 3,500, I think, is a very nominal account. I think it should come in within next 7-10 days. And the balance out of 40,000 what is pending, I think that should also get streamlined.
So for these two, was it one EMI missed or is it already 60 days or more?
It's past 90 days. 3 EMIs missed.
Okay. And secondly, like, I am following the company from the starting of FY'25, and there we discussed about the 8 to 10x PAT. So over FY'25, it is actually 9 crores from the base of 4 crores. So like it is more than that. And we have solid start in Q1. And recently we have done this preferential, right? So now we have a total equity to be 86 crores, if roughly.
75 crore plus.
Okay. Yeah. So, like, are we like to reach the FY'27, like roughly 30-35 CR profits? So are we planning any further equity dilution, or till that we can expand by improving the ROE and the leverage ratio? And are we on that track?
No, we don't have any plans of further dilution as of now. But, the main reason for raising for 75 crore CR equity in the last year was to, get eligible for NSE listing. If you on 3 balance sheets, you have to have 75 crore plus net worth, then you become automatically eligible for NSE listing. So now in April 27, will be automatically become eligible for NSE listing. So plan to get listed on National Stock Exchange in that FY'27.
Okay. So, like, are we still on track for that FY'27 guidance?
Yeah, absolutely. You see, quarter on quarter, there's a growth coming. And it's not rocket science. Now, once you have 250 corporates and once you have 1,000 corporates over a long term, or growth will automatically come. And more than the growth, it's, more important is, get delinquencies under control. That is very critical in today's scenario now.
Mm-hmm. And you don't expect any equity dilution till FY'27, right? If I'm not wrong.
See, as of now, we don't have any plans. Going further, we'll see what has to be done. As of now, we don't have any plans. We are raising debt only as of now.
Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thanks a lot and good luck.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Akash Jha from AG Wealth. Please go ahead.
Hi, am I audible?
Yeah.
Congratulations, great set of numbers again. So, one question from my side is, since we are targeting 250 corporates by the end of FY'26, so, what gives us the confidence to scale at such a rapid pace? I think currently we have around 80 or 90 corporates. So, it's almost more than doubling we are targeting.
See, we have 90 plus corporates as of now. So, we are targeting about 40-45 corporates in this quarter. We are going quarter by quarter wise. Last quarter, we raised about 25 corporates. This quarter, we are targeting 40 plus corporates. I think we should be able to achieve that. We are looking at a growth on a quarter-on-quarter basis. If we, meet the quarter-on-quarter targets, we should be able to reach 250. Plus, our network of agents and sub-agents and, our own, now we already deployed 2 people in Bombay on our own role. They have sourced 2 clients in Bombay.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And
We've partnered with a lot of CAs also now. As I told you, the 6 of our investors have only partnered with us for sourcing. 3 of them are chartered accountants, and they have huge database with them.
okay, got it, sir. And second, sir, on this invoice discounting, like, I mean, last quarter you mentioned about launching this product. So, I mean, any feedback from our clients so far on this one?
See, we are going very slowly on that. It's a little risky market. What we have, understood is a little risky market. Don't want to take undue risk. So we are doing very, approaching in a very cautious manner. So we don't want to take any undue risk. See, bill discount is one of the many products what we're doing. And we want to approach it in a very cautious manner only.
Okay, sir. Got it. And just last question on ROE, sir. So our ROE, I mean, currently it is around 10-11%. So what is our target for ROE by FY'26 or maybe FY'27?
We're planning to raise more debt. I think that should improve our ROE.
Okay. Any number that you want to write?
No, I cannot put numbers at this stage right now.
But it will improve, right?
Yeah, definitely will improve.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Rahul Singh from Finvestors. Please go ahead. Mr. Rahul, your line is unmute. As there is no response, we will go ahead. The next question is from the line of Priyam from Trinetra Asset Managers. Please go ahead.
So I just wanted to ask that for the current run rate we have projected run rate of EWA for the end of the year, are we planning to raise more equity?
No, Priyam, not as of now. Not as of now. We plan to raise debt only right now. Because see, we raised last year equity because we wanted to cross the 75 crore mark.
Right.
Excuse me. To become eligible for NSE listing. So now we are already eligible for NSE listing in FY'27. Immediately we have no plans to raise equity.
Right. And so what is the current cost of funds and do you see that going down?
See, major chunk of funding is right from SBI, that is around 10.95.
Right.
So I think as the RBI is decreasing, I think that should go down only.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
See, major chunk of funding is right from equity and some nominal part from SBI.
Yeah. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Darshil Javeri from Crown Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello. Good evening, sir. Thank you so much for taking my question. Hopefully, I'm audible.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. Firstly, congratulations on a great set of results, sir. So just wanted to know, we've given previously, we wanted to 8 to 10x our profit. So I think that's the guidance for FY'27. But in the current year, what kind of, profit are we, expecting? Like a Q1 run rate is also been such a great growth. So how do we, wish to take it forward, sir?
See, we stand by the guidance, I think numbers should not be a problem. Once we keep on onboarding more and more corporates, I think that should automatically come.
Okay. So
that increment we're already seeing, in terms of disbursements. और हम लोग पता है क्या कंपनी जैसे ना बहुत कंजर्वेटिव होकर चल रहे हैं. अगर हम इसको बढ़ाना हो ना टॉप लाइन एनपीएफसी को टॉप लाइन बढ़ाना बहुत आसान है. मेन थिंग इज कीप द बॉटम लाइन इंटैक्ट. किसी एनपीएफसी में टॉप लाइन बढ़ाना हमारे लिए बहुत आसान है. अभी जैसे 4.25 करोड़ की फंडिंग है, इसको 8 करोड़ करना में 1-2 दिन का काम है. वी डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी undue risk on that side.
Correct, sir. So for like FY'26, what kind of profit would you aim for, sir?
We will stand by the guidance. जो हमने guidance दिया हुआ है ना, I cannot put numbers onto like that, but we stand by the guidance. It should have quarter-on-quarter growth.
Okay, that's fair, sir. And just wanted to know, अपना business loan में what's our AUM currently, sir?
टोटल इसका तुम्हारा बिजनेस हो गया आई थिंक अराउंड 90 और करोड़ के करीब होगा.
Okay. Fair enough, sir. Yeah, that's it from my side, sir. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Ankit from Fusion Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. I just had a follow-up on our business loans. So, like any other apart from these two, would you like to highlight where there is a 30 days or 60 days miss?
Come again. Gurmeet, would you like to take that?
So in our business loan segment, like apart from these two NPAs, are there any other loans that you would like to highlight where we have?
No. Only these two are NPAs, and I think we should recover them. I'm pretty confident of recovering both these loans. See, एक में outstanding is 30, I think around 3,500, and the other outstanding is less than I think around 40,000. I think we should
And on our regular portfolio, we are able to get our maximum collections between DPD 5 till DPD 5. So we do not have a portfolio which is in bucket 1, 2 or 3, which means 30 DPD, 60 DPD or 90 DPD. The entire portfolio is current, and only there are 2 accounts which are NPA.
Okay. Yeah, that was.
I think collection person as well as spoken to both of them. I think उनका पैसा आ जाएगा इस महीने. एक तो पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. 3,600 पूरा क्लियर हो जाएगा. जो 40,000 है उनका भी
Yes, yeah. That is the update. Like you've been already saying that these are not they are not intent issue people. They are ability issue people, and they are completely contactable. And the regular follow-up is going on with them. Yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Akash Chaudhary, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Congratulations on good set of numbers. I have 2-3 questions. So I think from last 4-5 quarters, we were showing around year-on-year growth of 50% and almost equal to 12% quarter-on-quarter growth. But this quarter, I think we are seeing only 4% growth. So is there any seasonality or like what it could be because?
No, in terms of 4% in terms of top line or bottom line?
Top line.
Yeah, top line was only 4%. Yeah, correct. See, our interest rate and other expenditure has gone down dramatically in this quarter. So that is why we had a great bottom line growth.
Okay. So yeah, bottom line we are getting.
Akash, I told you now, we are not too much focused on the top line. Top line build करना बहुत आसान है NBFC में. We don't want to take unnecessary risk in today's current market scenario. So we are being extra careful and cautious. तो more focus is कि हमारे पैसा collect होता रहे. अगर वो पैसा collect होता रहेगा, तो हम लोग वैसे ही bottom line हमारा अच्छा होता रहेगा. So for us, our role model is HDFC Bank and Kotak Mahindra Bank. वो लोग बहुत संभल के धीरे करके चले यहाँ देखो कितने बड़े बैंक्स बन गए हैं. That is our scenario कि अगर हम 1,000 कंपनीज को एक अच्छा onboard कर लें for a period of time, it becomes a huge giant. The only thing is get not to get emotional and get carried away in this kind of particular market. आप देखिए जब लोग स्टार्ट किया था 20-25 साल पहले कोटक महिंद्रा HDFC को पूछता भी नहीं था. Now they are both number 1 and number 2 in the market. And they have done, they are our role models. हम लोग स्टेप बाय स्टेप चलना चाहते हैं. कोई अंतिम फालतू कैसे रिस्क नहीं लेने का उसमें कोई फायदा नहीं है. इस बार हमने 3 या 4 कॉर्पोरेट्स बंद कर दिए. उनका थोड़ा सा पेमेंट लेट हुआ तो हमने इमीडिएटली शट ऑफ कर दिया कॉर्पोरेट्स.
Got it. मेरा सेकंड क्वेश्चन है. So ये 8 to 10x पैड ग्रोथ हम लोग लास्ट ईयर पे दे रहे हैं 4 CR पे या 9 CR पे?
4 CR पे.
So ये growth generally मतलब where it will come from? EWA product, DSA, basically revenue mix क्या मतलब पैड मिक्स किससे ज्यादा आएगा?
तीनों से ग्रोथ आएगा ना. तीनों से हमारा बिजनेस लोन भी बढ़ रहा है. हमारा जून में मार्च में हमारा जो बुक साइज 80 करोड़ था, now it's 96 crores on this June quarter. तो वो तो हमारा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बिजनेस भी बढ़ ही रहा है. We have recently tied up with RBL Bank for sourcing gold loans. और ICICI के जो गोल्ड लोन्स हम सोर्स करते हैं वो भी हमारा बिजनेस वॉल्यूम ग्रोथ दिखा रहा है.
Sanjay, can I add something here?
Yeah, sure, please.
Yeah. Just to give you an update, so our portfolio is diversified. And the whole idea is that our risk gets managed very appropriately. So there's a distribution business, there's a business loan and a personal loan business, and then there is an EVA product. All three of them will contribute to the growth in revenue and the profitability. In the proportion that has already been shared, that we're looking at a 15 crore disbursal month on month by the end of this financial year on EVA product, and the other products also will go proportionately.
Got it. Thanks.
Yeah.
Just last, so I think we were talking about some app. So how will this app be used? It would be used by the end employees to get the loan amount from EWA, or like what would it be about?
Can you take that?
Hi. So the app is to essentially increase our engagement in withdrawals. So it's a mobile app we'll be launching. So the idea is to engage the employees more and increase subsequent disbursements.
Okay.
Yeah,
So basically
just
it would
to
be
tell you,
seamless.
Absolutely. It has to be completely seamless.
we recently showed it to one very senior banker in Bombay, our app, she was shocked to see the, quality and, simplicity of our app. She said we employ engineers from Amazon and, all these big tech companies, and, our own bank app is so complicated and yours is so seamless. So easy to utilize.
Yeah, actually, I am also working somewhere. So I have used this product. So I was using some other your competitor's file. So I just click in there and I used to get the money instantly into my bank account. So that's how I was just assuming. Will it be similar to that? I'll just put in the amount and click, and it will just come to my bank account within seconds.
Absolutely. Even today, what we're doing is exactly the same. We're just putting it on a mobile app now.
Got it. Okay. Thanks. I think I'm clarified now.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Raj Shah from Flare Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi again. So we are planning to raise more capital via debt, right? So like how much limit is approved, how much is the unused fund, and how much the maximum limit we can get approved?
See, we are applying to State Bank for further investments, and we are raising from other multiple sources also. I cannot disclose right now. But State Bank, we are sending an application for investment.
Okay, so currently, like, are we utilizing all the funds that we have raised, or some unused funds?
There are some unutilized limits lying with us. In case of emergency, we can draw down from them.
Okay. And any number on how much more fund we can raise based on our balance sheet?
Yeah, debt to equity ratio is very, very comfortable. As on March 31st, on an ASL net worth of 75 crore, we had a debt of just 14 crore. So debt to equity ratio is very, very comfortable. We can raise a huge amount of debt on this one numbers. And we have excellent track records with all the lenders. We have a zero check bouncing record since we got the NBFC license with all the lenders. In fact, even during COVID time, we did not take any moratorium from any of our lenders.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Abhishek from AB Capital. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, Abhishek.
Yeah. Just wanted to ask, how big is our collection team and what steps do we take if any customer refuses to pay?
See, our collection team right now is only 2 people who भी free रहते हैं सारा दिन. सिर्फ 2 clients हमारे जो हैं उन्हीं को call करते रहते हैं. So there is no need to increase the collection team as of now. So
Sanjay, can I add here?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So we are well prepared. We have got our in-house collection team, which is 2 team members. Apart from that, we have tied up with a collection agency which has got pan-India presence. In an event, if the delinquencies go up, then we are well equipped to kind of address it in a very early stage because our relationship already is there.
Okay. Thanks.
But we don't utilize their service as of now. There's no need for us to utilize their services as of now.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Ankit from Fusion Capital. Please go ahead.
Sir, my question was on this debt to equity. With what debt to equity ratio we are comfortable with? Any number we have in mind?
See, 1:0.5, I think will be very, very comfortable, or 1:1 also will be very comfortable. So as of now, debt to equity ratio is very low, but we are planning to increase the debt. I think 1 to 0.5 or 1:1, we should be very comfortable.
Like in FY'26, FY'27, we will reach, I think, more than 2.5, right? If we raise the fund only to debt, then...
Come again?
If we raise the funds only through debt, then in FY'26 and or FY'27 starting, we will reach more than 2 times debt to equity with our current growth rate, right? If I am not wrong.
हम लोग को इतना डेट का जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है ना, because in EVA product mainly we get the money by the month end only. See, most of them, a lot of companies they pay by the 30th itself. Like the disbursement takes place let's say 15th to 20th, 15th 30th they pay on 31st they repay the money.
Okay.
So we don't require that fund itself we deploy again on first.
Got it. Mm-hmm. So we are good with even 2 times, right? Then
1:1 is sufficient. If we raise 75 crore debt and 75 equity, we should good enough.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Lalit Kumar, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Sir, my one question is on your collaboration side. Your 14 lender and NBFCs. How you manage money to disburse?
In the sense, I could come again. I couldn't understand, please.
Sir, your collaboration side, 14 lender and NBFCs you are collaborate with.
40.
To disburse money.
Yeah.
So I understand money flow. I want to understand.
We act as a distribution. We don't use our own money over there. We just act as distribution agents for them.
Okay.
Like for HDFC Bank, we are the third largest sourcing agent for gold loans. But all the money is deployed by HDFC Bank, not by us. We just get the sourcing fees.
Okay. And sir, your further growth are same like past years or improvement?
Come again?
Your future growth, sir, in line with last year or improvement or in financial year 26?
We are given, from the last to last year, we are given 8 to 10x growth target. We should stand by that. I think we should be able to achieve that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
अगर हमने एक बार अभी 250 साल हो जाए, अगले 1-2 सालों में 1000 corporates हो जाए, it will become a huge giant. So we think keep delinquencies under control and step by step चलें, कुछ जल्दबाजी मत करें.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
NBFC से सबसे बड़ा डर ही होता है आप जल्दबाजी में फंस सकते हो कहीं पर.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. The next question is from the line of Vishal Singh, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Vishal ji.
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible? Confirm.
Yeah.
Thank you for the opportunity, sir, and congratulations on the good set of numbers. One question, sir. all questions are answered, though. We talked about the business loan in this Concall. So what is the current portfolio of this business loan, and what is the current yield in it, sir?
See, it's about 90 crores, and the current yield is about 18%.
18% is the yield.
10% plus upfront processing fees. Interest rate is about 18%, and 1.5% is the processing fees we charge upfront.
And what I heard, I just want to confirm that. I heard it 1.5% in EVA. That comes to, for the 15 crore, that comes to 2.25 odd crores. Is that right, sir?
No, yeah, about 22.5 lakhs per month.
No, I directly said it for 15 crores that your target is 2.25.
Yeah.
No, 22.5 lakh. Okay.
22.5.
Yeah, 22.5 lakh. Okay. 22.5 lakh. Okay. No, there was a disturbance that time. Thank you very much, sir, and good luck for the future.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Siddesh Chaudhary from Maximal Capital. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Hi, Mr. Hitesh.
So So thank you for this opportunity, sir. So I was having just one question. So in this early wage access product, so there are very new age startups. So how do we see this as a threat? What kind of edge we have over there?
I can't hear you. Can you speak a little loudly, please?
Hello.
Yeah. Can you repeat the question, please?
Yeah. So, sir, I was having a question regarding this EWA product.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. Mr. Siddesh, please use your handset.
Oh. Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, sir, how do we see as a competitive edge of this EWF product? Like there are many new startups which are coming into this segment.
Sunny, would you like to take it, Beta?
Sir, there's competitive advantage of our EWF product.
So I'd like to touch upon two things here. So I think one is the expansion of market. With these startups coming in, it essentially expands the entire pie for everyone. Because I think EY itself as a concept is a very niche concept in India. As more and more competitors come in, the market awareness spreads, the market becomes more aware, and thereby the entire market, increases for us to take. Second, coming to the competitive edge, where our competitive edge lies is the entire vertical supply chain integration we've done. So I think barring, there's only one company in the market which essentially owns the entire supply chain. That is from distribution to technology to funding. Now, given how highly regulated the funding the NBC sector is, it is a great advantage to essentially own the entire supply chain, wherein you are the one who's funding the client, you are the one who's bringing the client, and you are the one who owns the entire technology stack. Secondly, what we have with us is almost a 30-year track record through our subsidiaries. With our Shubh Bank, they've been working with all your banks and NBFCs for the last almost 30-35 years now. So what that makes us is a one-stop solution for all financial needs of a corporate and their employees. Obviously, if the corporate doesn't want early wage access, they can take a business loan. Employee doesn't want an advance, they can take a home loan, they can take a personal loan. We become the one-stop solution for them. And since all of it is taken care through our technology stack, it becomes very seamless for the customer as well, and we make money on it.
Okay.
There's a huge scope for EVA in India. Now, look at the companies in Indonesia and Philippines. Even EVA companies over there have grown so big. It's just a matter of time, Indian companies grow that big. It's surprising, before coming. Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. It's very surprising, from US.
Yes,
Europe, normally products come to India. This EVA product has gone earlier than coming to India, to Indonesia and Philippines. If you look at those companies in this side of the Asia, they have grown really big over there. It's just a matter of time, EVA companies in India grow big.
Okay, yeah. Yes, fair enough, sir.
Thank
That
you,
was all
sir.
from my side.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure that the management is able to address questions from all participants in conference, please limit your question to one per participant. The next question is from the line of Gaurav Mishra, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Sir, good evening. First of all, congratulations for a nice set of numbers.
Hi, Gaurav. Thank you.
Sir, I want to ask about the cash flow from operations figure that I'm seeing from financial year 25 and from 24 and 25. Both they have been reported negative. Can you throw some light on this कि ये कब तक सुधार सकता है figure?
So for us having a negative, let me take that, sir, please. So sir, for us having a negative cash flow is actually good. It means we're disbursing more money. For us, operating cash flow means how much are we disbursing. So a negative cash flow for us means that we're disbursing more money into the market.
Okay, sir. And my next concern is जो preferential allotment हुआ था at the rate of 131.7 lakhs of equity shares का, उसके बारे में सर मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि वो पेमेंट हो चुका है उसका या that is still outstanding?
That's already allotted. तभी तुम्हारा equity 75 crore हुआ ना?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद हमारा वो हमारा मेन पर्पस वही था ना करने का कि we wanted to reach the 75 crore mark. तभी अपना पैसा भी हमने लगाया था उसके अंदर. So we have reached the 75 crore mark, and in FY'27 we should be eligible for listing on NSE. Yes, and hopefully, we should have 1,000 corporates by that time. Then because when you go to NSE, it's a huge company to go to list over there.
Yes, sir. And next question about the invoice discounting. Is there any plans for onboarding any large anchor for bill discounting, and what is the current state it is undergoing?
See, अभी इसमें तो थोड़ा धीरे करके चल रहे हैं. इसमें थोड़ा मार्केट हमने जो स्टडी किया है ना, तो उसमें delinquency levels और बहुत high है. We want to be very careful on that part of the thing. Because here the money deployed will be ours. So we want to be very prudent on that part of that thing.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Sir, one last question about the personal loan you have mentioned in your current PPT that आप start करने वाले हैं. So about that unsecured, I am talking about the unsecured personal loan. So is there any backup plan for in case some loan goes default?
Also, as I mentioned, that we already have a recovery team as well, and we have outsourced an agency as well. So again, so right now we're not utilizing their services, but they've been put in place just for any contingency purposes. Since the book has been growing at a rapid pace, we don't want to, not have these contingencies or redundancies in place.
तो अभी तो पर्सनल हम 9 months के लिए करते हैं ना, उससे ज्यादा नहीं करते हैं अभी. और वो भी with the IVA partners only. It's only a personal loan only with the companies with whom the IVA partnership.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Gaurav Shukla, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, in last participants, you have said that margin guidance is 36%. Sir, this is PAT margin or EBITDA margin?
Come again?
Sir, one participant has asked about margin guidance, sir. Sir, you have answered 36%.
That's the normal interest rate what they're charging. IRR, that's talking about IRR.
Okay, sir. And sir, in this quarter, you have disbursed loan at, as you said, that 96 crore, from 80 to 96 crore.
Yeah.
So in this quarter, you have disbursed 15 crore.
Correct.
And you have already said that FY'26 में 180 crore करना है. तो करीब करीब 85 करना है, तो इसे डबल रेट से करना पड़ेगा।
180 करोड़ हम लोगों ने जो बोला है कि 15 करोड़ पर
Yes, sir.
मंथ का ईवा में हो जाएगा बाई ईयर एंड। सो 15 करोड़ इंटू 12 इट कम्स टू 180 CR।
Okay, sir. So
that was what EVA, not for the business loans.
okay. And most of questions
we are targeting 15 crore monthly run rate by year end.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations on great set of numbers, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Ravi Patel, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi, Mr. Patel.
Sir, just wanted to ask one thing regarding personal loan that I have read in your investor presentation, that considering the delinquency rate and the NPS related to personal loan, why we are venturing into personal loan for the EVA partners, and how we are planning to mitigate the risk associated with that loan?
See, it is part counter-guaranteed by the employer, no? We are not going to be giving in the open market. जिनको हमने 9 months लोन दिया है, एम्प्लॉय से डिडक्शन होके आ रहा है उनका पैसा।
No, sir, I am talking about unsecured personal loan.
Yeah, unsecured personal उन्हीं के लिए करते हैं ना, जो EVA
Sanjay, can I just add here? Yeah. So, so unsecured personal loan is given to the employees of the corporate with whom we have a tie-up, and the installment also comes to us through the deduction flow by the employer. So the same methodology of repayment, which is used for EVA, is used for the personal loan product.
Okay, so you mean to say that installment for the personal loan will also get deducted along with the salary, like it is getting deducted with EVA?
Absolutely.
But the period of personal loan will be higher as compared to EVA loan,
yes,
right?
So there are certain conditions which govern a personal loan to an EVA customer in order to make sure that the debt burden of that customer is not exceeded beyond the policy guidelines. So once this particular guy takes a personal loan, then he cannot do a normal EVA withdrawal. He is going to be repaying us the borrowed money over the period of 3 months to 9 months, for which this particular personal loan has been given to him.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question is from the line of Jigar Shah, an individual investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, congratulations on good set of numbers. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So these two defaults, which you talked about, was on the EVA side or on some other loan segment side?
Hello?
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, what I'm asking is the two loan defaults, repayment defaults, which you talked about, was on the EVA side or some other business segment side?
Gurmeet, can you hear that clearly?
Yes, I can. These were on the personal loan.
Okay. Not on the EVA side.
Yes.
I also heard about, at the beginning, Mr. Sanjay told something about contributing to bringing in new clients for EVA. So can you just tell me briefly, what this collaboration is all about and how we can contribute basically? No, if you can just give me the overview.
You just send us a mail or you can at info@emeraldfin.com. Somebody from the office will get in touch with you, or you can go to our website at partners page. You can just apply over there. Somebody from the office will get in immediately touch with you.
Oh, okay. What was the email ID? You talked
info@emeraldfin.com. Excuse me.
info@emeralds.com. Okay. Or you're saying on your website also? Yeah.
Yeah, you can go to the website at the partners page. You can apply over there.
Okay, fine. So it's basically a systematic program, like where you will sort of provide all the details and how we work in a collaborative way.
Correct.
Okay. Yeah, another question is like, AI is becoming, artificial intelligence is becoming very prominent nowadays. Like, every company wants to sort of start or at least factor in AI into their operations. So just wanted to understand from your planning and strategy side, like, are we doing anything in this direction? Do we have any type of AI roadmap in the coming quarters or months, some planning or strategy in this direction?
Can I answer that, Sanjay?
Yeah, Tali would like to take that. Technology party can take. Tali? Hello?
Yes. So I think in terms of AI, we're actually planning to deploy AI for customer service going in the next financial year, perhaps. So, we've seen AI agents coming up and about. So, once they're at a fairly mature stage, we'll be looking to integrate a few of them into our systems as well.
Okay. Yeah. But what about the sales and marketing and, other areas also? Because, there is a huge scope and there is a lot of improvement areas, which with the manual things which we do. So anything in that direction, apart from your technology stake, I'm asking from the planning and strategizing perspective. For your operating model, yeah.
Talin, can I answer this?
Sure, ma'am.
Just one sense. So there are two aspects to the lending processes. There is something that we call is automation to improve the operational efficiency. So there are fairly dynamic, processes and APIs that are available, which helps us kind of automate the processes. So typically the loan origination process, the management process, the ENAC processes, the KYC, verification processes, all of these are kind of automated, including dispersal through the API. So that is one aspect which is extremely critical for acquisition and loan management. The second part is going to be where the AI is going to play a role, as Talin said, in the next year, would come into play when the portfolio size is huge and then you would like to look at specific marketing actions or collection actions depending upon different variables which have high impact. So typically in a financial services, that is how the journey goes. So we are currently in the build-up phase. And, once you acquire a certain set of, certain number of customers on board and your book size comes to a certain level where a lot of slicing, dicing is required, that's where we would use tools which take support of AI.
Got it. So thank you very much, ma'am, on this. But you can also use this for your sales and marketing, in acquiring new customers and all, with agents. It has become comparatively very easy, rather than going for a manual effort. So just a suggestion or recommendation.
It again depends. I think when you talk about EVA customers, most of these relationships are with the corporate. So yes, the technology team would have used tools to kind of call out the right list of corporates meeting our minimum eligibility criteria. However, the approach to reach and create a collaborative relationship still can't be replaced by a machine. It is a very, very personal interaction. It is a trust-building activity. It is an evaluation of relationship at both the sides. So, tying up with a corporate with 5,000 employees is less machine and more relationship.
Got it. Yeah, totally agree. There are certain areas which are sort of, which will require a human look, definitely. But some repetitive tasks and all, definitely you guys can augment. Yeah. So thank you very much, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, due to time constraint, that was the last question. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Chandni Chande for closing comments. Thank you, and over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone, for joining the conference call of Emerald Finance Limited. If you have any queries, you can write to us at kirin research@kirinadvisors.com. Once again, thank you for joining the conference call. Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you, Talim sir. Thank you, Gurmeet ma'am.
Thank you. Have a good evening. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
On behalf of Kirin Advisors Private Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines.